Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices so the stream will be stable and low latency. First, make sure your Chromebook can run Chrome Remote Desktop or that you have an HDMI capture adapter ready. This matters because Chromebooks lack native HDMI input. Next, power on the Ps4 and set its output to 720p or 1080p for smoother capture. Then install and sign into Chrome Remote Desktop on both machines. This creates the secure link you'll use to view the console. You now execute the core connection step depending on your method. If you use a USB capture card, plug the Ps4 HDMI out into the card's HDMI in, then connect the card to the Chromebook via USB-C or USB-A. Install any required drivers or apps so the Chromebook recognizes the device. Once connected, open the capture software and set resolution and frame rate. If you choose Ps4 Remote Play instead, enable Remote Play on the Ps4, run the Remote Play app on the Chromebook. You finish by optimizing the viewing experience and handling common failures. Once the signal appears, switch the Chromebook to full screen, pair your DualShock or use Bluetooth, and tweak audio levels so game sound is clear. If you see lag or frame drops, make sure both devices use Ethernet or reduce capture resolution and frame rate. These changes reduce bandwidth needs. If nothing shows, restart the Capture app. Replug HDMI/USB cables and power cycle the Ps4. This resolves most handshake and driver hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.